Hey folks, welcome back. Exercism is a comprehensive online platform designed to help developers improve their coding skills in various programming languages through practice, mentorship, and community engagement. Founded with the mission of making coding more accessible and effective, Exercism offers a vast library of exercises, known as tracks, in over 70 programming languages, ranging from popular ones like Python, Java, and JavaScript to more specialized languages like Haskell and Rust. Each track consists of numerous exercises that progressively increase in complexity, allowing users to build their skills incrementally. Upon selecting an exercise, users can choose to work on it in their preferred coding environment and then submit their solution to Exercism for review. One of the standout features of Exercism is its mentorship system. After submitting a solution, users can receive detailed feedback from experienced mentors who provide constructive criticism, suggestions for improvement, and insights into best practices. This feedback loop is crucial for learning, as it not only highlights areas for improvement, but also encourages users to reflect on their coding style and consider alternative approaches. Mentors are volunteers from the Exercism community, and their contributions are invaluable in helping users overcome challenges and deepen their understanding of programming concepts. Test this tool, and please do let us know your comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another tool.